This project was originally briefed in for a new website, and in true Starberry style, when we came to look at it, we realized that working with this logo and a domain name that was something like tmib.co.uk was really not going to be fantastic. And we felt like the Mortgage Insurance Bureau was quite a dated name and, was definitely not going to take the company to the next level. So we did a bunch of research and we ultimately came up with this Mortgage Scout as a name, and mortgagescout.co.uk, a much nicer name, much more sort of contemporary. And so we ended up doing everything from the identity to the domain name. We did the whole background guidelines. So much more modern, much more edgy brand identity and a whole guidelines to make sure that the rest of the website and all its marketing literature on and offline was very much on the mark. We also did some other elements such as brochures and print related stuff. So we had, lovely brochure styles, much slicker, much more approachable, right down to the business cards, letterheads, comp slips, and email signatures. So that was the brand exercise. So that set us up nicely. And then we moved on to the website. In fact, I will jump into the actual website. So the key aspects of this new website was they wanted a fully responsive website. They wanted it focused on giving real-time mortgage prices. They wanted a core focus on first-time buyers, buy-to-let, remortgaging, and moving home. And they wanted to very much focus on great customer reviews, so their 5-star reviews, and really simply present the product, have some useful tools. So they've got mortgage deals. You can click on this mortgage deals, takes you straight in, main calls to action there. Immediately below here, you get linked into, you can start working out the type of mortgage you want, your property value, how much you wish to borrow, the length of your mortgage, and whether it's interest only or repayment. And then you can decide whether you want fixed variables, how many years you want it over, and help to buy, shared ownership, new build. Then you can refresh accordingly. And then here are all the deals with a good call to action straight away to get to a mortgage broker from Mortgage Scout. And if you want more information, there's a whole bunch more information held in here. We've integrated with Yomdel, who will also manage the leads out of hours and ask all the right questions. And you can just tap in here and get, an instant response from live chat mortgage broker. And then there's always a call to action to get straight in touch, jump straight into a form. I'm a new or an existing customer. Decide what type of mortgage you're after. Select the offices, because there's a number of offices. There's actually more than 4 even now we're adding. And so that's very cool. So that gives you an idea of that part of it. If I go back to some of the knowledge base, so we've got the calculators. So this is quite useful. You can go in and you can say, how much can I borrow for a mortgage? Buy-to-let calculators. How much can I borrow based on a rental income? So you can say, I'm getting $2,500 a month. And you can calculate that, and that says you can borrow $512,820. So these calculators, remortgage calculator, my remaining loan is 100 grand. I've still got 15 years left. Current interest rate is this, the new interest rate is that, and it will work out current monthly and new monthly and monthly difference. So it's a very useful site here. The other thing that's quite key is mobile, looking absolutely lovely on mobile. Everything works, your forms are all there. You can still go to your chat. Jessica is now there, jumping in. You can go to your lovely burger menu, super easy. You can still do your knowledge resource. You can, do your various calculators, and I could make a phone call straight off and off I go. Click that. And you can see read all the reviews. So here's all our reviews. Very lovely. Let me just show you how it works on iPad. All the top navigation is visible on desktop, but in iPad view, it's all parked up like a mobile. Everything's now stacked gracefully, so all is laid out very beautifully. It's worth actually mentioning that since we launched this site, Mortgage Scout won Best Mortgage Broker at the Esters, which is the Zoopla sponsored awards. So we're very happy that Phil Spencer, the renowned Phil Spencer, awarded the team this award. And obviously we like to take a lot of credit for coming up with a great brand, a great website, interactive with real-time mortgage deals.